Hi guys. So today is going to be my first Temu haul and I am so excited. I cannot wait to get in this. I honestly don't remember what all I ordered, but I will go over the prices for you. And also with this haul, they gave me a 30% off link, discount code, and it's gonna be sale 6446. And I will have it linked in the description below, along with a link to all the products that I got today. So you'll be able to find those. And also, while filming this currently, they have a sale going on. So it's 90% off a lot of items. So the first item I got was a heatless hair roller. I wanted to try this one out because I am all about that if I can make things quicker and easier. And I've done this before, but I've used like the tie on a robe that I have, and that's worked also. But right now this is on sale for $198. So this is actually a really nice, like soft, pretty pink. They do have like a black, yellow, and a purple in this set alone. So yeah, so you just wrap it up and it comes with 2 scrunchies for you to use at the end, and also the clip that you get to clip it up on the top of your hair with. And yeah, I am so excited. The next item I got was a Epilator Painless Hair Remover Exfoliator. And it comes in multiple different colors, but I got the bright, I guess it's pink, purple, magenta. I don't know, it's like a metallic. And as of right now, they're going for $238 as when I'm filming this. So the next item I am super excited about. It's actually a eyelash comb, eyelash separator. My lashes get stuck together so easy. So it has a little comb. Yeah, I am super excited, and it's pink. There are multiple colors in this as well. So the next item I got was this BB makeup cream, or BB cream, and it says it evens skin tone, conceals pores. This is a good one to have on hand if you travel because it's only a little bit over an ounce. I got mine in a natural, and right now it's going for $1.49. The next item I got, y'all, I am so excited to use this. So it's called a Vintage T9 Trimmer Professional. If you have a partner with short hair or likes to have their neck shaven, or you know a professional stylist, get these, because one, these went for $608 on Temu. My fiance already has a pair of these, and I use it to cut, when I cut his hair, I use it, and cutting men's hair for 12 years, they're amazing. The best part is the price right now at this site, because these originally are $25 on Amazon. A lot of these you can get in different designs, like Buddhas, dragons. You can get them plain ones, you can get colorful ones. So the one he got for Christmas, it actually has a barber and some scissors on it. They're hefty, both of them. They feel the same. So that's the on and off button right there. Love it. Love that it's on the bottom. It comes with the charger. You have a little cleaning brush with it, and it actually comes with the guards too, a few of them. So that is super exciting. I'm going to use it today, so I will definitely have a review for you coming up on that one. The next item I got was this UV gel polish. Currently it's going for $1.79, but I got this cute like pink, light pink color, and I am super excited. So gel polish, soak off, UV, and LED. So I actually do have a LED light, so I'm excited to try that one out. You know, I got this privacy stamp. I did not know it was gonna be so tiny and so cute, but it was 89 cents. It's the one that like blocks out your address so you don't have to shred it, even though I have a paper shredder. I don't like to use it all the time. I got these little vintage lady stud earrings. I just thought they were so precious. And I love that they come with like the extra backing, but they're little stud earrings. I thought I could even junk journal with them if I wanted to, if I didn't just want to if I didn't want to wear them. That was kind of my thought behind it. They're precious. I then grabbed this ring and it's $209 on their website right now. I grabbed it because it is my birthstone. It's actually really, y'all, it's cute. It's like nice, well made. I like it. Y'all, I found this pirate treasure box. It was 99 cents. It is definitely plastic. But I grabbed it just to keep like a few little my knickknacks on my desk, like my journaling supplies, like any of my little bitty stuff, like miniature items. I just thought it was cute. Y'all, this vintage jewelry box for $1.19, and I am absolutely loving that design. It's so pretty. It's just so cute. It's got little bitty compartments, and you don't have to just keep like your rings or earrings in here. If you like to keep your like medication, you can keep it in here if you want to. If you have crafting supplies, you can keep little bitty things in there. But look, my ring fits in there. It's really cute. This will be great for traveling, especially like I said, your medication if you wanted to travel with it, any of the extras, and like it locks. Not bad for, what I say, $1.19. Now let's get into some fun crafting journal items. So I grabbed these little pens. There's 100 in there, and I got the golden one. But they are great to add little charms on like any of your journals, or like if you're making jewelry, if you wanted to use these, anything like that. So I grabbed these for my journaling, and they were 99 cents for 100. So, and they have different colors than just the gold. They have like black, multicolor, silver, things like that. I got this, like, what do they call it? A hand press tool. So it looks like it comes with the eyelets to make like tags and stuff. I can't think of what the name of them are, but yeah, the little studs. So I already have a hole punch, so I figured I'd get this. And all of like these together is $5.68 right now, which I did not think was a bad deal at all. So it just punches them together. And yeah, I just thought that would be great to have on hand. Now, some of the fun paper that I got, this first set, y'all, it is a Victorian one. It's 100 pieces, and it's going for $3.09. Y'all, look at these just fun papers. Like, I really like that one's cute. That's cute. So these are great for like adding in just little embellishments for junk journaling. If you scrapbook, or you like any momentums, or they're thin enough to probably decoupage with too. I'm gonna have to try that with these. I also got the Blooming series one. So this is $3.19, and it's just a bunch of like flowers. It's pretty. Those are so cute. Oh, I love that. I didn't know that was in there. Scissors. So they're all on the back, but they're so hard to see because they're so tiny. But I think these would be cute as well. I love this for springtime. Just in general, they're just pretty. They give me very vintage vibes. I love the ones like with clocks. And then these two, y'all, I am so excited to look at these. So this one is Life with You, and this one is called Dancing, and they're both $3.09, and you get 40 pieces in this book. And if you know anything about Stamperia, that's kind of what these gave me the vibe of, and that's why I grabbed them. So, like this. If you know Stamperia's paper and you know this series, like this set that has this in there, y'all, let me know. Grab this too. I will have this link down below. There's like the flowers. I just thought this was so cute. Yeah, I don't know. It's something about it like caught me. I think it was that clock got me. I just thought these were just really, really nice. Yeah, here's another clock and these flowers, the butterflies. So let me know if y'all know if y'all know what I'm talking about. This one was more of a vintage ballerina, I believe. Yeah, so there's a bunch of ballerinas, but the flowers are so pretty. I love the music notes, the books here. It's so cute. Yeah, it is definitely a vintage vibe, and I am here for it. A little bit of steampunkish. I guess it just depends on what you classify as steampunk. But I love the clocks. Look at these little suitcases, but look at that clock. Look at it. That's what I think like gave me the steampunk vibe. I am here for it. Then I got this little pack of, I don't know, little papers. They're just little inserts, but it's called The Beauty. There's 30 pieces. It's $149. But I just like that they had different like shapes and flowers. Oh, so it looks like all the squares are the same, but what is nice is one, the paper is really nice, but the center also comes like out. So it's like perforated. It looks like a stamp on the center. And then you have these shapes and that design. You have that one. And again, these are all the same. The ones that are each different flowers on each design, like shape, and all the centers come out. Yeah. Just thought those were nice just to have to add to my collection. Got the Flower Garden series, 15 pieces. I loved these little windows. This is $1.39, but y'all, look at these. I loved it. I love that you could add the little windows on there. So you have the doors on this one. You have these doors on this one. And again, these are really good for junk journaling, scrapbooking, I don't know, any kind of like crafting. If you like to craft, these are good for that. And yeah, they're just doors. They're just really cute to like make fairy journals or garden journals. I just wanted to have it on hand. Next is little bitty handwritten letters, 60 piece. These are going for 99 cents. They're little bitty letters, which are gonna be so cute to add into your journals or decoupage with it, because the paper is really light that you could actually use it to decoupage. But I just thought it was really precious to have miniature handwritten letters. I just really liked it and wanted it. So this one has 50 pieces and it's going for $1.59. And it is like Post-it cards as well, but they are the flower versions and just like little flower cards, like papers that was torn and just now flower papers. Yeah. I don't want to go through every single one because that's a lot to go through. And then my last piece is this vintage collage stickers, and it's 45 pieces for $1.69. I just thought these were so cute. They have like the, has a bow, like flowers. I thought that one was cute. It has shoes. It has books. It has this chair. I don't know why this chair caught my attention. It's just a pink chair, some more pink blocks. These cute little like paper collage papers. That one. They look like little like tabs with the little, what are those file folder things? Yeah, just wanted to have them. I just thought they were cute. They're pink and I wanted them in my collection. All right guys, so that's gonna be my Temu haul and I am so thankful and so excited. And again, everything's gonna be linked down below along with the 30% off code, so don't forget to use that. Thank you again so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!